watching. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner. My videos are all about how you guys can save money on common household items, razors, things like that. So make sure you guys stay tuned. There are some freebies, some money makers, and I wanted to do the spend 30, get a $10 extra buck deal. So if you have any questions, like usual, make sure you guys drop a comment. I also did the gain deal at Dollar General. It's get $5 off when you spend 30, but someone already purchased all those products for me before I could post the video or shoot the video. So I will be doing it again this weekend. I'll be doing the Saturday 5 off 25 as well. So if you have a Dollar General near you, make sure you guys watch that video. So let's dive into the deals. First deal I want to get into is going to be on the oral care. So there's a couple different options that you can go with. So check out the in-store video.
Okay, so Burt's Bees is on sale as far as buy 2 of select Crest Scope Burt's Bees oral care. Get a $4 extra buck. So you're going to use this $2 off one coupon from the $9.22 retail me not. I'm going to pick up one of these. Then I'm also going to pick up one of these whitening, Great Whitening Guaranteed. I have a $3 off teeth whitening kit or treatment, and this is considered a treatment. Then I also have a $1 off any mouthwash brand. So I'm going to combine these together, and it should be a $1 moneymaker.
Okay, so I bought one of the Burt's Bees. I was gonna get 2 of the mouthwashes, but I didn't have the right coupons, so I wanted to make sure that this was gonna be a moneymaker. So in order to do that, I got this Burt's Bees with fluoride. My dentist says I need fluoride, so I got this one. There was some that were fluoride free, so if you use a fluoride free toothpaste, Burt's Bees is a good one for you. They are $4.99 each, and then I got one of these mouthwashes. Now these whitening mouthwashes do count as a whitening treatment. So if you have that CRT that you saw in that video, you can use it on this mouthwash, the whitening mouthwash. So you're gonna pick up one of each. Total is $9.98. You're gonna use the $2 off coupon for the Burt's Bees. I had the $3 off CRT plus the $1 off any mouthwash CRT. So the final wound up being a $1.02 moneymaker. I paid $2.98 out of pocket, and I got back a $4 extra buck. This one. Got back the $4 extra buck, so it made it a moneymaker for me, $1.02. So I was really excited about that. The razors, the Gillette and Venus are on sale buy 2. So any 2, it's not a spend amount, just buy 2. And you're gonna get a $8 extra buck. So these are the cheapest ones. I always try to go for the least amount out of pocket for you guys. They're $9.29 each, so I picked up 2 of them. I had a $4 off one coupon from the 9.8 retail me not. The wording on that coupon is 1 per transaction, and I just wanted to get it all done in one. And I only had one of those coupons, so instead of ordering another one, I also had a $2 off Gillette from the 8.25 P&G. So I went ahead and used that. I paid $12.58, but I got back that $8 extra buck. So the final cost was $4.58, or just $2.29 each. So not a bad deal for razors. $2.29 for one of these. These are the nice razors when they start at $9.29. So not a bad deal there. So let's get into the P&G deal. So all of these items, excluding the razors and the oral care, are part of the P&G deal. Now, my total, the P&G is spend 30, get a $10 extra buck. My total was, before coupons, $34.72. Now the reason, I could have taken these off and probably got it like right at 30 or a little under. The reason why I went so far over is because I needed some additional Tide Pods. I have some people who purchased these items from me and they needed them, so that's why I catered it that way. Typically, I would have tried to stay right at that $30 mark. So let's do it. So these are on sale $4.94. So I picked up 2 of these. These are also $4.94. The Gain detergent, Gain liquid, again $4.94. There's a couple different scents. I always just get the original. And then I got some dryer sheets. These are the 105 count. These are also $4.94. Then I got some deodorant. I got a women's Lady Speed Stick and I got a men's Lady Speed Stick. These are on sale, buy one, get one half off. So this was $3.39 and these are $3.49. So it winds up being $3.49 and like $1.70. So that's what the math winds up being on that. So as far as coupons, you're gonna use a $2 digital on the app for the Gain fabric softener. You're gonna use a $2 digital for the Gain liquid detergent. You're gonna use a $3 digital for the Tide Pods. Then I had a $3 coupon that I had to print from pngeveryday.com. It'll be linked in the description. My region in Florida does not get the Tide coupons in our insert, so we have to print them out online, kind of a bummer. Because when you print them online, just a little note, it expires the next day. So if I print it today, it'll expire tomorrow. So they literally give you a day to use it. So that's kind of a bummer, but as long as you're being proactive and kind of planning out your trip or using the printable breakdown that is below, make sure you print out your coupons and then you guys can head to the store today or tomorrow and do these deals. So then you're gonna use a $2 coupon for the dryer sheets. Again, I got it from png.com. A $2 coupon for the Gain liquid, sorry. So total in coupons for all of these is going to be, oh, I forgot about these little guys. 50 cents each on these. You can print that from speedstick.com. Again, that'll be in the description box. So 50 cents off of one, 50 cents off another, gives you another $1 of savings. So that is going to be a total of $15 for all the coupons. So the total for these, like I said, was $34.72 before coupons. So after the $15 comes off, it makes it $19.72. You're gonna get back the $10 extra buck for doing the deal, which I got right here. So you're gonna get back a $10 extra buck. Remember, this is just like cash, so keep these in a safe spot. I keep it in my little booklet with all my coupons, and then at the end, I use extra care bucks to help bring down the out-of-pocket, because my out-of-pocket on this was pretty high, so I used some extra bucks to bring it down. So make sure you guys save these, it's the same as cash. So after the $10 back, you're going to be at $9.78 for 8 items, or just $1.28 per item. Not bad, because these all regular price at CVS are like $6 or $7, and they're on sale for $4.94, but we got them for $1.28, so not a bad deal. That math may be a little off because I had it written down here wrong, so the correct math will be in the printable document for you guys. So make sure you guys stay tuned. I will have my Dollar General hauls this weekend. I'm going to do the Saturday deal. There's a lot of freebies at Dollar General right now for some more Gain dryer sheets and things of that nature. If you guys do have any questions again, make sure you drop a comment. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow.